Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Danelia, if you don't already know. Valentine's Day is approaching, and you know, Valentine's Day is very cute. You get to do stuff with your babes or your potential or your situationship babes, whatever it is. There are loads of things you can do that are cheap or like just on a budget. So I'm just going to give you a few of those, and I hope this helps you on your Valentine's Day. Tell me if you use any of these. Feel free to comment down below. Message me on my social media, anything like that, just so I know that I actually helped, you know. Okay, so the first one, like some of you might think this is a bit basic, but there are really some good movies coming out. Usually around Valentine's Day, there's at least like 2 Valentine's related movies, not necessarily like all soppy, but you know, that kind of like love interest, like romance, drama mixed with romance, like all that kind of stuff. So definitely cinema. There are loads of things to watch in the cinema, and if you're a student you can get discounts. If not, sometimes like they're all the same price anyway. Like, you know, it's not expensive. A ticket will be like £8, £9 at a stretch, you know what I mean? So and you don't necessarily have to buy the cinema snacks. Don't buy the cinema snacks because it's expensive and overpriced, but you know, you can buy snacks from like a corner shop or anything like that. Just take it in, have a feast, you know. Cinema. This one might sound a bit basic, but like, no, just a cheeky Casper's, you know. Like, you can go, like, they do desserts. If you don't know what Casper's is, Casper's slash creams, like it's a dessert place. Like they do waffles, pancakes, like all those kind of stuff, milkshakes, sundaes. Like it's just paying, and it's cheap. So you could go to the cinema and go to Casper's, or you could go to Casper's and go somewhere else. It's just nice, chill. Casper's, yeah, it's a great place. It's a good place to go to, you know. And now next what I'm going to be telling you about a couple apps that you can use. So there's this app called Book a Table, if you don't already know. So basically you get like cheap deals and places to eat. I know good places, not just like some bummy around the way place, no, like good places that you get deals on food and drinks and stuff. And it's just like, you can go to the same place and spend more, or you can use Book a Table and spend less. So literally, like, use Book a Table, find a place, and literally that's like a 3-course meal, sometimes even with a drink, and it's cheap. So yeah, you know, everyone likes to go out and eat. It's a nice, like, that's just like a typical Valentine's Day thing, like going out to eat. So definitely take advantage of that. I'm even gonna, let me go on it now. Book a Table, there we go. And let me just see, okay, let's just go on this Prezzo or whatever. So it gives you like the opening times and stuff. They're like bookings along the bottom. So you can set to whatever time you want. Like, it's automatically set to like 2 people and today and all that kind of stuff. So look, it says buy a dining gift at your favourite Prezzo restaurant. 3 courses and a glass of wine, £30 for 2 people. That's £15 each if you're going halves. 3 courses and a bottle of Prosecco, £55 for 2 people. Like, do you know what I mean? So it's like cheap stuff. Like, it's cheap. And it's like a 3-course meal. You can find loads of stuff like that. You can find so many different restaurants. So it's definitely worth using Book a Table. Yeah, because that's especially good if you're going out to eat, and that's something we all love to do on Valentine's Day. You do not have to spend loads of money. It's like people hear Valentine's Day and they think, oh my gosh, I have to save and splash out. And if you've got other stuff to pay for, you have to be responsible, do you get what I mean? And just, you know, save your money and get cheaper discounts where you can. And even like, and if you're broke at the time, like, you know, you can still do something if you want to. And next is another app slash website which a lot of people should know about, and it's Voucher. Really utilize Voucher. Now I'm in Colchester, so I can't really utilize Voucher all that much because it's not like a major city, and I don't think I've ever found a Voucher for Colchester. So that is a bit tight. Like, it does depend on location, but if you're in like London, Birmingham, Manchester, like, you know, like any sort of city that is recognized, then yeah, definitely use Voucher. You can find literally so many things on Voucher. You can find like spa vouchers, you can find like holidays, even you can find restaurants, like the kind of like Book a Table, like those kind of deals. You can find like events on Voucher, and like just so many things, and they're so cheap. So definitely use Voucher. I feel like most of us just like go places and just pay. We don't deep that. We could actually be saving so much money. So yeah, Book a Table, Voucher, so good, literally so good. This is again another cinema, but like an open air cinema. You know, cinemas outside is such a vibe. Like, it's such romantic vibes. Like, I'd been to one before in Lanzarote, but like that was with my girls, so it wasn't like the same kind of vibe, but I still loved it so much. I loved the vibe, everything. So like even like for Valentine's Day, that'd be something that's especially good. And again, you can find so many cheap ones. Another suggestion is like going to an aquarium. You know, in London there's that whole strip with like SeaWorld, London Dungeons, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it would definitely be a shout. But yeah, you can go to an aquarium, like any aquarium that's near you. Like they're usually like cheap-ish, do you know what I mean? Like you don't have to spend a lot to get in. So, and it's cute. Like I feel like all you need is kind of like a cute setting and something to do with your babes. It doesn't have to be anything super extravagant and expensive. Like you can find good stuff. Voucher, another thing, yeah, you can book hotels on Voucher as well, and they're like cheaper than they would be. So look at Voucher for hotels if you're trying to do like a hotel thing as well. Yeah, that's really good. Last but not least, another idea I had was just like an arcade. Depending on the type of person you are, like you might not be someone who likes to go to an arcade, like that might not be your cup of tea. For me personally, like I love arcade, and I love arcades and I love arcade dates. So like for me, that would be a star. Love that, that's perfect. Yeah, and then you again, like there's that one in London as well. I really forgot what it's called. There's that one in London. Like it's not crazy expensive or anything. All you need is money for the actual games, and like that is controlled by you. I hope this video helps. I hope you realize now that you really can just enjoy your Valentine's Day, do anything. Yeah, you know, there's so many activities, there's so many things I left out as well, you know, like you can just go out, have fun, enjoy your Valentine's Day. You can go roller skating, that's another thing, you can go roller skating. And it's like you can mix these stuff, so you can go roller skating and then go to a fancy restaurant where you only spend £15 for a 3-course meal and like a glass of Prosecco. Do you get what I mean? So there's a lot you can do. Make sure you utilize these tips. Let me know if you do use these tips. And like, yeah, comment down below. If you like this video and it was helpful, be sure to thumbs up this video so I actually know, you know, it's part of the feedback that lets me know that you actually enjoy watching my videos, which is always really helpful. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe. Again, it lets me know that you actually enjoy my videos, that you actually want to see more content from me. So yeah, I really would appreciate that. And don't forget to turn my notifications on so you don't miss a video. I'm uploading very frequently, so yeah, you just should turn my notifications on so you definitely don't miss a video. And follow me on my social media, it will be in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Feel like